Dexta Daps promises to give out his phone number. Killa celebrated his birthday. Spice tried TikTok for like the first time. It's not really the first time, but you know what I mean? When you do something, you don't really do it officially. Just say, or next time, what you do it, you say the first time. Welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. So let's kick off things with Killa. So Killa celebrated his 48th birthday yesterday, right? And I have to look up on Google to see Killa how much, cause it would seems like Killa really old, but when you put this thing in retrospective and look, them not that old, them are big people still, you know. You see me, I say Killa and Beanie are big man them still, but and I like how it seems like then they're on forever. You see me? So Killa turned 48 yesterday and he had a little get together, but to my surprise it's just the kind of people that will show up. And kind of people mean the artists them will show up and read the personality and thing. You see me? Now I don't have the full video. I have a snippet when I take off a popcorn story scene because Papi did it. You see what I talk about? Richie Steve what they did there. I see Bambino, you know what I mean? Wayne Marshall, them couple other people did it. You see me? Killa friend them. It look like, you know, through the COVID thing and never done big function like that. But you know the key people them show up. Now I'm going to show you what I've seen, so take a look at this.
We continue to bless Bunty to be a blessing to others. Now, we're here celebrating the birthday of a legend, of a brother, a youth where we can't say so much about it. Till tomorrow we still attack. But we're not going to...
Now, if you want to see more of this video, teach them post it. You see me, I say, you know, say Killa and teach them. They have them link, you know what I mean? You know, say Killa say, teach them. Always make sure the messages are reach them. You see me, I say, when I bought this thing up on YouTube. So, big up teach them, big up Killa, you know what I mean? That was Killa's birthday and it looked like Killa had a good time and thing. So, bless up Killa. And I mean, happy belated birthday, in general. If you not see this, me say it. You see me, I say, big up yourself. Yeah, so when I just send Killa some birthday wishes, even though you know yesterday, you know what I mean? And Munga too. Munga celebrate for his birthday, I think it was day before yesterday. So, you see me? Big up the two artists them. Now let's move on to another story, people. Now let's talk about Spice making a TikTok video. You know, we see Rebel them and we see Nikki Chromas them and all the other people. Can't forget Stacey Expression and even Romy and Virgo try it. You know, me think Romy and Virgo are best so far, but let's look on Spice one and see, because Spice one bad. So check this out.
My baby.
You're what?
I'm mommy baby.
You're my baby?
Yes. And I'm fucking cute.
Well, you know, say a quarantine time, even though it kind of come like a quarantine free up, you know what I mean? But the artists, them home and then from time to time, then kind of just get bored. They have a lot of free time. And Spice is no different, you know what I mean? So, right now, Spice look like she try out TikTok and she learn how to use it, right? Because she captioned that video and she said, I don't get used to TikTok as yet, but I soon get it, with some laughing emoji. You see me? But me never try it yet like that, you know what I mean? I've been on TikTok for the name Musically and I always see people that do it kind of different now from when they do name Musically, you know what I mean? You have people like, you know, the youth where do Bada Cat video them and him run the channel in near Musical Drizzy. Them man there was the king per musical. Them man they used to do some crazy edits and them thing there. It look like him low it out nowadays anyways. You see me? But them man there used to have it locked. You see me? But me think the key is the video where I use to do the voiceover, you have to kind of like keep some of the element them if it makes sense what may I say. So like the same environment and thing. So in other words, you cannot do a video where have something to do with like one car and one drive through, but you're in your house, just sit down on one couch. You see me I say, you know make it believable, you know persuading enough. You see me? I think those are the key elements. If we tried, me have to keep those in mind. And if you tried, I think you should keep those in mind too. You see me? However, Spice video what she pick is very simple. I don't know the original video, but it works for what she had tried. To me, you see me? If you disagree, you get in the comment section and tell me. If you don't agree, get in the comment section and tell me. If you have a TikTok also, you know what I mean? Put your TikTok in the comment section so I can follow you. If you have videos, you know what I mean, send them to me on Instagram. I post them all the time. If they're good, I post them. I'm not going to promise me I go post everything. You see me? But that's that. So people, let's move on to the next story. Let's talk about Dexta Daps. So this morning, Dexta Daps made a post on his Instagram, a picture of him with his phone in his hand. But it's the caption, you see me, I say, not really specific or special about the picture. So Dexta captioned the picture and say, Ladies, in a few days, I got a big surprise for y'all. I'm going to give my phone number and you can text me now so we can stay in touch. And you will be first to know. Text me and him put one numbers in, one weird number, but I don't know what that. But you see me, obviously it's not a real number. You see me I say. But this do happen from time to time. You see what I say, what celebrity do give out their numbers to them. Fun, and me at local or international, because the last person I see did this was Eminem, the rapper. You see me I say Marshall Matters. So him give out for him real phone number and like, but I don't know how I go, I don't know how he manage, but crazy people link him, you see me? And you know so that I go. Also one time Mrs. Spice do it. It was like International Women's Day, and she gave out her phone number and people that call her and she did it on the live and thing. I don't know if you remember that or if you know aware of it. You see me? So it's not like a far-fetched thing for celebrities give out them number. But anyway, I don't know if Dexta Daps serious. What me not think him is doing. I don't know. But people want to tell me what they think would I go on if Dexta give out his number. You see me? However, do I see one comment on him page where it's like, it was kind of funny to me. So, you know Ivani comment and she said, tell them I have the real one and all you do is seeing me. Not nice. We could have sing a song together. You see me with some laughing emoji. So, I don't know if that's real or not, like if she have him number for or not. But that's beside the point. Me just tell you in the comment what I see. You see me? But if Dexta give out his number, boy, I can't go with him because you see when time the man up on stage was going, all kind of panty fling all kind of way. You see me? So, you know, even give out him phone number, a different thing. The woman them love Dexta, you see me? Now I have a video of a police officer, a Jamaican police officer, I talk about the tragedy that happened yesterday. You see what I say? If you don't know, 3 policemen lost their life in a shootout over Spanish Town, right? I think 4 of them get shot. And then 3 of them died. 2 died first and then 1 later died in hospital. You see me? So one of the JCF member, a fellow policeman, him come out or him make a video and a talk about, you know what I mean, the general public helping with the crime in Jamaica and them things. So I'm gonna make you watch the video and see what I say.
See, we as Jamaicans, things that we need to focus on, we're not focused on. Certain things that each individual supposed to do to protect them loved ones, I'm not doing it. We out here risk their life every day. Just to remain presence alone. And you know, allow a gunman them out there just do what they want to do. As them please, we're not seeing a protest and them stuff they are going. But RIP to them 3 squad that were passed this morning. Bless them family. Because really and truly, society don't know what we go through daily. People have to help us, help us.
Yeah, people, so no hear what I say, you know what I mean? Rest in peace to the squad of them who drop out. You see me? If you don't want to know furthermore upon the story there, you can see it upon like the Star or the Observer, or, you know what I mean, check your local news station, i.e. TVJ, or them something there. You see me, I say Loop News and them kind of site there, you know what I mean? I don't do too much of crime and violence. I mean, I do none at all. It's just not my thing. But however, this situation was one that was, you know what I mean, unfortunate. I would have rather it not happen, but it happened. There's not much I can do as a person. You know, I just see this video I share with you know. And, you know, a couple of days before this, it happened in a Tivoli Garden with police and gunman in a shootout also. But like I said, if you want any follow-up on those kind of news, you could check out the Star and the Observer and, you know, the local newspaper them and TV station them. But as far as I go, this is just a little video I have and I wanted to share it with you. But when you can get in the comment section and tell me what you think about what him say, you see me, and give me one opinion on what you think, like what go on, and you know him say, him call out to the public for say them can help more time. You see me? Uno give me for no opinion in the comment section and make me see what una say. Alright, if you wish to do so, no pressure. You know what I mean? You can also tell me about the other story, then you can tell me about the Dexta Daps thing, wanna think about that, wanna think about Spice, and you can send some birthday greetings to Bounty Killa and them thing there. So there is many options to choose from. You see what I say? If you don't wish to talk about that. So other than that, if it's your first time on this channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for daily updates. And for all my long-time supporters them that make the channel, you know what I mean, still valid and still here, thank you very much. And if you just subscribe, you know what I mean, I hope you will be here to, you know, get the news and join the family and be a part of the family. Thank you.